Hello, hi students and parents. I'm Murtaza. My teaching experience is more than 20 years, including Hyderabad, Saudi Arabia, and UAE. And I dealt with many, different syllabus. Specifically, I deal with math, physics, and chemistry, all three subjects. And I have lots of experience in these subjects, and related to different curriculum, including SSC of Telangana and Hyderabad, and CBSE curriculum, ICSE curriculum, IGCSE curriculum, IB curriculum, American curriculum, American curriculum, and different others. I don't want to just mention here. So all a different curriculum. So in all these years, what I have seen with my students, the problems what they are facing, and parents, the problem what problems parents are facing. Okay, I would like to discuss those problems here for now. Mainly because I'm planning to open my academy in Hyderabad, inshallah, in next 2 to 3 months. So I also want to specifically, take the problems of our Hyderabadi families, Telangana families, and these problems are not only related to our Hyderabad and Telangana families, families all over India and other countries as well. So now let's say in Hyderabad, okay. Now we have our students in maths, physics, and chemistry, and biology, physics, and chemistry for engineering as well as medical streams. Now, what parents do? Okay, they spend money in JEE and NEET. Okay, and after that, now their children they'll go to college. I'm not talking about all the school students here. I'm just talking about grade 11th and 12th specifically here. So, what is happening with these students? Now, let's say that, for example, this is not intermediate level question or grade 11th level question, but to just make things easy and make parents understand what exactly is going on, I have chosen these basic level questions. Let's say that in intermediate, we have a question of this level 5x plus 25 level question. Okay. And in JEE, they are teaching you this level question. 3x square minus 17xy plus 10y square question. And between this is the just like, little intermediate level question. Let us say 10x minus 15y plus 6x minus 9y. Now, our intermediate student knowledge is not only confined to this particular problem. I mean, I can say he won't be able to understand this problem also. Now, in his class, whether he's taking online class or in on any other platform, definitely teacher must be explaining this level problem or a level higher than this. So definitely, when a student he doesn't have knowledge about this particular level, he won't be able to understand this level question properly. It's obvious. Now, in colleges, we have until 5 p.m., 6 p.m. They are spending their time on doing this sort of questions by listening to the lectures of this level questions. And, at the last, they won't be able to do this question also. They won't be able to do this question also. That means in intermediate also, they are facing problem and they are facing problem in JEE and NEET also. That is what is happening in math. Okay, so this is just an example I'm giving to make you understand. This is not a intermediate level question. Now, similarly, if you're going for physics, let's say that our intermediate student knowledge and the way of questions that are being asked in exam is of this level. What is the level? It's a direct level. Mostly, in intermediate we get all direct level questions only. A mass of 2 kg block accelerates at 5 meter per second square. What is the net force? And exact, they don't even change numerical values also. To be honest, they don't even change any question. They don't do anything. They just give as it is the same question. So many students they don't even understand the formula. They'll just go for 2 kg. This is 5 meter per second square. So F equals to 5 into 2. Khalas, this many newtons. They will learn that much and they'll go. They don't know what is that newton. They don't know how why we are keeping that 2 into 5 over there. And if instead of 2 kg they are giving you 2 grams and 5 meter per second square, also they'll go and do the same answer. 2 into 5 that is 10 newtons, which is wrong because they are not understanding the subject over there. Okay, they are just mugging up these things from their fast track books or those books. But now in JEE and let's say NEET level, let's say this level of question is let's say the minimum level of JEE and NEET, below which teacher or lecturer, he can't go below this because they have to finish the syllabus. Even they have to look after so many students, isn't it? So they cannot go less than this level. And if they keep on explaining you first this and then clearing this, that much time won't be there to explain all these things, isn't it? Now, what is happening again at the end? So neither students will be able to understand this question nor this question also. That means their intermediate is also going and their JE and NEET levels are also going. Now same thing, let us go for chemistry here now. In chemistry, let us say that we have this is also because I have taken a very basic level question. Okay, but many students in intermediate, I promise, even the basic level questions which I am giving, many students, I can say at least 80 to 90% students, they cannot do those basic level questions also. I'm sure about it because I have seen many students. Okay, so nitrogen and hydrogen reacts to form ammonia. Write a balanced equation to it. Okay, this is the very basic question. Okay, let us say our intermediate level is this only, and even in IP, IP means here our inter public examination question, grade 11th of Hyderabad, Telangana, they'll ask this level of questions. Let us say, okay, their level is different and all those things is different, but questions are still direct. Okay, so they can just mock up the equations and all those things. That sort of questions only they'll get it. Now, in JE and NEET, let us say that they are going at this level. Okay, calculate the mass of ammonia produced if 2 kg dinitrogen reacts with 1 kg of dihydrogen. They don't know how to write this equation, they cannot write this equation properly, then a student of that level, how will he be able to understand a class of this level, whether he's attending online platform or whether he's attending, any of our prestigious academies in Hyderabad or in other parts of India? It's not at all possible. Okay, because the basics are missing completely. Okay, now online, see, we are in AI era. Now, in AI era, very student they doesn't know, where to go, from where to start. If they are sincere students, also they don't know from where to start and all that because we have so many videos over there. Which videos they can watch? Like for example, if I want to go for PhD, okay, if I have so many videos, do I have time to watch all that many videos? I want, and if I want to go for PhD, let us say I'm more mature than those, teenage kids. But still, I won't be able to watch all that many videos which are available online. I'll get confused. Where should I go? Whether I have to go for this or I have to go for that. It's obvious. So that is the problem our students are facing. And I can tell you, at least, I'm just giving this figure, a very less figure. 90% students are facing this problem. 90% students. And 10%, this is actually I'm giving a big score, but not even 10% I can say, not even 10% I can say. Okay, so not even 10% students are this level. I mean, above average level. So for those students, definitely, teachers, these are like I can say above average students, all right. Okay, now teachers have to go according to their level only because they have to finish the syllabus. They'll have management. Even everybody have to look after, their things, their organized things and all that. They won't be able to do all this. So what is happening here basically? Okay, so basically basics are missing. Students won't be able to do what they want. Students lose confidence. And at the end, they go for long-term coachings and all this. Still, all those coachings won't be, proper, and at the end they'll land either in BDS or B pharmacy, or they'll go to different countries for MBBS. Okay, and many of our intermediate students unnecessarily, they are going for JEE. JEE, Baba, it's really, really difficult. In order to go for JEE, you need to complete a different level. Okay, so they can go for MSET level and all those things. So these things are there. But many colleges and institutions, they don't tell you this. Even they know this truth, but they won't be able to tell you all these things. Okay, you know the reason why. I don't want to just mention the reason over here. Okay, so this is the problem they are facing. Now, inshallah, in Hyderabad, we are going to open our academy. And in that academy, what we are going to do, what I am planning to do. So I am planning to just like, for example, if I am getting a grade ninth kid, if I am teaching his syllabus, so in that syllabus, what basics comes? I'll give those basics. I'll try to make him understand those basics. I'll just try to advise him or suggest him some videos to learn those basics first. And this is my way of teaching. This is my way. This is our strategy completely. Okay, for those 90% students, this is our strategy. So what I advise and what I recommend students from Hyderabad and from other parts of India and other parts and other countries, they can just see how I am teaching or how if I'm just increasing my team, how our team is teaching for a month and then check. Uh, inshallah, I can give you confidence that within a month, you people will be satisfied because I'm telling you with my past experiences. Here, I don't want to give any reviews from any students. I don't want to just tell anything about myself. Nothing. I just want to prove myself by my actions. Okay, so if it is an online class, so for overall, for grade ninth, 10th, and 11th, we'll be taking online as well as offline classes. We'll be putting, and for other grades, we'll be just putting only offline classes. Even for grade 12th, also we have just offline class. We're not going for online class. And inshallah, I'll just try to fix all these basics. Don't worry. Okay, he's a teacher. He maybe he's MSc only, MSc Math. How can you teach physics and chemistry? You see my teaching. It's not necessary that only an MSc Physics can teach you that physics 100% properly, or only an MSc Chemistry can teach you 100% chemistry properly. You just come into my class, come inside my class, you see my teaching, and you see the strategies what I am following in my teaching, and then you can just decide yourself what to do. Okay, so this is the message I want to give to all parents. So please take this positively and think about this. And we are available on M.Educators, the Academy, on YouTube channel also, and on Instagram also. You can please follow us. So this is, I think the video went more than 10 minutes. Please, I ask you to just give some time and please watch my video. Okay, thank you. And I will be putting more videos, inshallah. And in the videos, I'm not going to just, I'm going to give just sample videos on why students are facing problem in such and such questions. I won't be able to give each and every question just to make parents understand what I'm going to teach. Every day, I may be putting one or the other video because these are my initial videos. So even handwriting is not that good because I'm using tablet and this is my new experience with tablet. Okay, thank you.